Hi, today we're going to review the Oster Pro 1200 Plus. This is the one that comes with the food processor and the blending jar. These are made of the plastic instead of glass. I think it's a Tritan plastic they call it, and it's supposed to be similar to what they use for BlendTech and the new Vitamixes. So we're going to review this today. This is the Fresh Professional series, and it has a 3-year warranty on the Satisfaction and 10-year on the all-metal drive. So it does have a nice warranty on there too. So while we're doing this, I'm going to just say, if you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get along with this review here. So what I have here is I have my old blender that I'm replacing and the new one. So this is the new one right here. This is the Tritan Jar that they have. So as you can see here, it's a nice hard plastic. Nice blades inside, 4 blades, well 2 outsides and then actually 6 blades because 2 on the bottom too. I don't know if you can see that very well. This has been very tough, and so far this also holds 8 cups it's marked off with here. So to compare that with what I had before, this is an old Oster model, and this is glass, and it only holds 5 cups. So just turn it around here so you can see it only holds 5 cups. Now it's constantly running out of space, which is why I'm upgrading. And I really wanted to get a, BlendTech or Vitamix, but I did not want to spend the money. So they are quite expensive at, $400 a piece. This right here is about $90. I happen to get it on sale for $60. So nice lid, the way it seals on here, it just kind of presses on. It has these ridges. It seals pretty well. There is a gap, an air gap here, so air can escape. And just so you know, if you fill this up really high, so if you fill it up to here and it's frothing up that liquid, it can also escape through here. But the way it's shaped here, it goes right back in, so it doesn't splatter everywhere, which is really nice. Now, along with that, I haven't even opened this yet, but I have the food processor here. So, and this also fits on the same stand, and you have everything assembled here. Obviously, I don't, because I'll be honest with you, I just don't use a food processor very often, but I wanted to show you that it is there. I do plan on trying to use this at some point, but I just haven't found a need to really at this time. So one of the questions that I've always seen though on these blender videos, I'm going to do right now. I'm going to fill this up with ice, and we are going to try to make snow or powdered ice essentially, because that's one of the things that everybody seems to want to do in these videos, and we're going to try that out. So I'm going to pause this, get some ice, and we're going to get in here. Okay, so now we have our ice in here. I'm going to rotate it so I can see the buttons here. But we're going to plug this in. This is just standard plug, obviously. And hold on here, I'm just going to rotate this around so that way I can hold the handle. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn this on. Actually, let me rotate it this way. So I'm going to turn this on, and you have to turn it on before you can use it. And I'm going to use the pulse button here while holding the top. Alright, so we're going to turn this back off and just take a look in there. This is snow. There are some chunks in here still. It still got stuck up a little bit, but this is pretty good, especially compared to my old one, which could not do this at all. It would immediately just bind up, and that was it. So it works pretty well in that respect for making snow. Now the question is, how does it work for shakes? So I'm going to empty this out and clean it, and we'll come back and we'll make a banana shake with peanut butter. Alright, so I have everything I need here to make a nice fruit shake for me. The one that I make, fruit and veggie shake. So I'm going to take these bananas, a big spoonful of peanut butter. I use a coconut water here. And then I'm also going to add some spinach. I know this doesn't sound great adding spinach to this, but you can hardly taste it in these shakes typically, I have found. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add that right to the top here, okay? So this looks pretty packed. It'll blend down. But now, here's the key with this. So I'm going to put the lid on. I don't have to hold the lid down. I figured this out. I had to do that on my old one, but not on this one. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm just going to hit this green frozen smoothies button here. It's next to the food chop, and then they have milkshakes, and then low, medium, high, pulse, and then stop. I never did go over the buttons here. But yeah, this is a green frozen smoothie. So I'm going to click that. And this is an automatic cycle. It does that automatically. It goes back and forth. It spins both directions, by the way, not just one direction when it's doing that. So now, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to take this off of here. I'm going to show you what this looks like here. So it's blended very well. And we're going to just pour it in here. Nice and smooth. And as you can see here, this looks pretty good too. So, and it's the right consistency and everything I have found. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this product. For cleaning, what I will do is I will actually use a sponge because I did peanut butter here. I'll use a sponge on the sides, on the inside. The blades are sharp though in here. They're very sharp. I know it's hard to tell by looking at it, but they're actually very sharp. And so you don't want to touch the blades, but I use a sponge, I clean the sides off, and then I put soapy water. I do a little bit on low, medium, and then high, and then go turn it off, rinse it out, put it in with fresh water, do the same thing, and it's clean. So it's very easy to clean, it's very easy to take care of this unit. I have, so far, I've really enjoyed this unit. I have found that it works very well. It is not a Vitamix or Blendtec, but it is pretty close for a quarter of the cost at $90. So I highly recommend that you get this device. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will answer. If you need another video or you want to see something different, let me know and I will record another video. But so this is the Oster Pro with the little chopper on the side here that you can add as an attachment. So thank you very much.